I fear it won't be long until it all unravels. I haven't seen the sun since I left for Seattle. But when my canary starts calling, outside that old hotel where you read my fortune, you said that you could tell I would follow that notion. But when my canary starts calling, I fear it won't be long until it